Hey guys, it's Alex. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing another Halloween makeup look, this is technically like my last Halloween makeup look, but yeah, I did a con mess. This is what the makeup looks like, so if you guys want to see how I did this makeup, keep on watching. Also, before we're happy, make sure you guys subscribe, hit that big thumbs up, and yeah, let's hop right into the video. Alright, so let's get started with the makeup. So first I'm just going to put my hair up. Also, I'm going to be doing a creepy climb. If you guys did not see the intro, I honestly still don't know exactly what I'm doing. I kind of have a rough draft down on my little like paper right here, but I still don't know 100% what I'm doing. So I'm just going to kind of like create a little like clown mask today. Which I think is technically my last like Halloween like makeup look for this year, which I'm really excited for, but also I'm kind of sad because I love doing those videos. So first I'm just going to take my black eyeliner. I'm just going to outline everything. I'm just going to outline where the mask is going to be. So we're going to make this look like that I'm wearing a clown mask, and I'm just going to outline. And then I'm also going to draw down my neck. And now, as always, I'm just going to take my white face paint and fill in all of this. And I'm just taking that on a big old fluffy brush, and I'm just going to fill it all in white. Also, it doesn't matter if it gets in the eyebrows because we're going to fill them in later. Like I said, this is literally like my last Halloween like makeup look for this year, but I want to do more. Like I have so many more other looks that I want to do for you guys, but it's not going to be Halloween season. I don't want to upload it and it's not like a Halloween video. But if you guys want me to do like more like looks like this but not title it as like Halloween looks, just like having fun with makeup and creating different looks, leave a comment down below telling me, and I probably will do more because I like doing these like makeup looks. Like I love doing this. So if you guys want me to do like more videos and just not title it as Halloween and just kind of like playing with makeup and trying like different looks, leave a comment down below because I probably will, because there's so many other looks that I want to do for Halloween. I just don't have enough time to film all of them and upload them for Halloween season. So if you guys want me to do more videos like this but just not for Halloween, just kind of like everyday kind of thing, leave a comment down below. So I'm editing this video right here, and I was just talking about like doing more videos, so I'm gonna kind of explain what I mean, because I know in the clip it didn't really like make sense. I'm editing, it didn't really make sense, so I'm gonna clarify like what I mean. Because you guys seen like the TikTok like videos that it's like 30 seconds or 60 seconds, and they do like a little creative makeup and just create makeup, kind of like cosplay but not really, like sort of how they do like bunny or like just different looks. That's kind of what I was talking about, is doing like more Halloween videos, like creating different characters and like clowns and monsters and aliens, like all that kind of stuff. That's what I was talking about, that I wanted to do more of those and get a little more creative with my makeup, but I didn't want to upload it, and then people are like, oh, it's not Halloween season, like why is she uploading? That's what I meant. So I really hope that makes sense, that I wanted to do more creative makeup looks and create like different makeup looks for you guys and just have fun with makeup and do different people. If that makes sense, I'm really hoping that makes sense now that I'm explaining it, because in that video I didn't really make sense, but that's what I mean. So I'm just filling in all of this white. It's okay if it's a little bit messy. It doesn't really have to be like perfectly filled in. I'm just kind of like filling it in. And it's okay if your skin's kind of peeking through. It's just gonna look a little bit more creepy. Now I'm grabbing my black face paint and to fill in these little things. So this one's gonna be black, white, black, white, black, white, and I'm just going to fill it in black first. I'm just using black face paint to fill it in. So pretty much every other one is going to be black. And I'm just using a small detail brush to do it. Now I'm going to take the white and fill in the white. Also, the white doesn't have to be perfect because we're going to put glitter over the white. So this is what we have so far. So now I'm going to take some red lipstick and draw on my nose. I'm just going to draw a big old red circle on my nose. You can use a red face paint for this, but I'm just going to use a lipstick. And I'm just going to apply that also to my lips. And this lipstick is from Wet n Wild. It is in hot red if you guys were curious. Now move on to the eyebrows. I'm just going to take a little angle brush and just fill in my eyebrows. I'm just using a black face paint to fill them in. I'm just going to fill them in as normal. So now I'm going to take my black eyeliner. I'm just going to draw like little lines. So these are going to be like the little strings, so it looks like it's attached to my skin. I'm just going to kind of go around the mask and draw these little lines. And I'm just going to take that black eyeliner that I just used and draw like two little dots, one from the top and bottom, so it looks like little bolts are holding the mask. What the mask is looking like so far. So now I'm going to go into my Revolve Pro palette. I'm just going to use this for the eyeshadow. So first I'm probably going to take Blink, which is this pretty purple shade, and put that all over my lid. And I'm just applying that with a big old fluffy brush. It doesn't have to be neat. I'm just kind of messily putting it on my lid. So then for the black, I'm going to take this shade right here and put that into the crease and also on the lid too. I'm also using the same brush. I'm just kind of messily applying it. And then I'm taking a smaller brush and applying the black under my eyes. You know how normal like clown mask usually has like the point here and then the three little like triangles right here? That's what I'm going to do. I'm just going to do the top one over the eyebrow. Kind of have to make it tiny since we do have like a mask on. I can't really like go over the mask. I'm going to do the same thing to the other side. I'm also going to do it under the eyes. I'm just going to draw 3 lines and then we'll go back over it. And then now I'm going to really like make them pretty sharp and triangles. And then kind of want all 3 of them to connect. So this is what one eye looks like, so now I'm going to do the other one. this is what it looks like. So now I'm just going to take the black eyeliner and kind of go over so we can make it a lot darker. Since we have the white, it mixes with the black and it mixes with gray. I'm just going to kind of go over it to make it like pretty black. So now I'm going to put little dots under the little triangles that we just made with the eyeliner. So now I'm going to take a eyeliner and just draw a little circle on my cheek. And now I'm filling it in. This is a essential little lip liner. I'm just going to fill it in. So this is pretty much what the makeup looks like. So now for the glitter for the white for the neck, I'm just going to take this little glitter palette that I got from, I think, Beauty Treats. I think this is from Marshalls or Ross. I'm just going to take this silver shade right here. Just apply that with my finger and apply that to the white on the neck. And I'm just applying that with my finger and just kind of do it in a patting motion. And then lastly, I'm just going to take the black eyeliner and just kind of go over my lips and kind of make them a little bit more pointed with the black. So we get that creepy clown lips. And I'm just kind of going over my lips just like the outside, not fully. And this is pretty much the creepy clown mask done. So that is the makeup look all done. This is what the final result looks like. Hope you guys liked this video, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.